how to cut in without taping. I got a sealant here. It's a textured sealant, so you can't really tape it off. Just load up your brush, preferably on one side. Forgive me, I'm holding myself. Cut. Forgive me, I don't have anybody to hold the camera. It's the way I do things. So what I do is I load the brush and then I put a big glob of it on the wall where I'm painting so I don't drip. And then I go up like so, and I load up one end of the brush. See the paint sticking off? Get the brush at a 45-degree angle and have it fan out until, so you can see just the very fine edge of it and run along the corner. Just take it slow, get you a nice clean line. You'll probably have to come back, put a second coat, but the key is the second coat is a little bit easier because you already have your line. And that's that.